So this is a crucial moment in the camp kitchen process for our extremely local dinner of Thai green curry and fresh cooked marron. Marron are are little animals. Yeah, you just put it in there. Where's the lid? Yeah. Marron are a local crayfish. Are they freshwater? Yeah, it'll stay there. Oh my god. Oh no! It's a pineapple! Oh my god. Fuck! Ugh. The garnish is gone. Shit. What is my green curry gonna be without pineapple? Unless you rinse that off. Okay.
Can you just pull the bag off that?
Yeah. And here we go. Here we go.
This one's a little bit more large,
Okay. Put him in. Put him in. Yeah. Oh, good. Okay. Now, you wash your fingers because apparently they can be quite nasty when they bite. So unfortunately, this is probably the only time we'll do this. Is we'll cook them live. Yeah, they're like lobsters. Yay, honey! He's like, that's the last fucking time we're gonna do that. Oh. No, it was the wind picked up, and that's what happened. Well, keep you posted on the dinner. It's gonna be amazing.